Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Mickey's Silly Day. One morning, while Pluto is playing, he bumps into the clubhouse's silly switch. Oops! The silly switch moves from off to super silly. Giant pumpkins, elephants, and flying pies fill the clubhouse. Pluto tries to bark, but meows instead. Mickey must rhyme all of the time. A yummy pie goes flying by. To solve this problem, let's use our noodles. Everybody say, "Oh, toodles," says Mickey. Mickey is silly too. He can only talk in rhymes. Instead of toodles, a helping hand appears. The hand puts Mickey and Pluto outside the clubhouse. Pluto moos in disappointment. Mickey tries to go back inside, but a giant piggy bank is blocking the door. 5 coins, please, oinks the piggy bank. If we want to get through that door, we'll need 3 coins, plus 2 coins more, says Mickey. He tosses 5 coins into the piggy bank. The piggy bank shrinks. Back inside the clubhouse, Toodles is waiting with a musketool, a handy fishing pole. It's time for us to fix this glitch by turning off the silly switch, declares Mickey. The hand at the end of the pole grabs the silly switch and pulls it down. The elephants, pumpkins, and pies leave the clubhouse. Pluto barks happily. Hot dog, says Mickey. I'm not rhyming anymore. Still, there's one more silly thing for Mickey to do. The hot dog dance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And check out my Patreon page. For more Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps this video and helps the channel. Thank you so much for your support. See you next time.